Do you ever buy products that you end up hating so much so you push them to the back of your drawer and you just never use them, and at some point you're just like, should I keep these or should I just declutter them because I'm not using them? Well, today I have a handful of products that are on the chopping block. I just cannot get these products to work, though I will show you just this last chance of trying to use them. I do really want this look to work, so I am just doing my skincare routine first. I want to give it the best chances of all the products working, though I have not had good luck so far. So the first one is the Dr. Jarts Cicapair Color Correcting Cream, and it says to apply moisturizer first. So I'm going to do that. I'm just adding a really thin layer because this pills on me. I don't know why. Every time I've tried using it, sunscreen, moisturizer, no moisturizer, it pills. So I'm just using a tiny bit. And I'm so glad that I got the mini because I don't like this stuff. It sucks. I've seen people, like videos of people using it, and it always looks like it blends out so nicely. It's like a concealer for them. And I got that to work for me once. The first time I used it, I just kind of like patted some out and it worked. So I'm going to try and do that. I've tried switching from using a lot to a little bit and just nothing works, you guys. So I mostly get redness right here. So I'm just going to pat it because usually when I swipe it, that's where it starts pilling. So I'm just going to pat it into the skin. And then I do get some on my nose that I do want to cover. It looks okay. It's not bad. It usually pills, so I'm happy it's not pilling this time. It's okay. We'll see. I do want to give it a second before this next step. I really just want everything to mesh well and work together today. The next product on the chopping block is my Diamond Perfector from Physicians Formula. Multiple problems with this one. One, the shade is way too dark for me, and every method I've tried to lighten it does not work. I also find it has barely any coverage for what it is. Even with it being too dark for me, it just has no coverage. And I know it's a BB cream, so it's supposed to be a bit sheared out, but it disappears on me. And then it leaves behind these glitter particles. So I've tried it with foundation mix-ins, lighter concealers. The only thing I have not tried it with is a lighter foundation. And I only have one, so I really hope that this works. And the one that I have is actually a skin tint. It is my CoverGirl Skin Essence. So I'm going to try just using a tiny bit of this because I can't get it to lighten. I don't know what it is. Everything I've tried, and I'm hoping this will maybe give me what I'm looking for. Oh, I'm concerned for this. Okay, it's a little orange. Just mixing it in my hands. Let's see. Okay, that doesn't look bad. This could work. Wait, why does it look good? I'm confused. It actually looks really good. I will have to make sure in different lighting that it is the right shade for me, but so far it is looking really good. I could have maybe used just slightly a bit more. This CoverGirl one is super light on me. I usually just put on some bronzer to even it out, but wow, I might have saved this one. We will see. I do need to see how it holds up throughout the day, how it's gonna mix with this other makeup, but so far this looks promising. This next product I am concerned for. I don't think I can salvage this. We will try. I will try my hardest, but it's been through trial and trial and I can't get it to work. And that is my Physicians Formula Butterglow Concealer. This one is just, it makes me so angry. I hate it for my under eyes. I will not be putting it there today. It's just so yellow, and even for a serum formula, it creases into oblivion. Even with setting it with powder, no matter what I do, it creases really badly, and it starts to like pill up too, which isn't cute, and it's just really yellow on me. So I'm not even sure where I want to use this, but I'm thinking maybe to use it just to brighten my face. So maybe like right here where I do have some of that redness still. I will try it on my forehead because it's been very difficult there. So I want to see if I can get it to work. And I'm thinking maybe like down here by my chin. I feel like there isn't a whole lot left in here because I have been trying to make it work. So I'm hoping that maybe I'm just almost done with it. Should I just keep using something even though I hate it? Guys, I swear these products never work for me. I don't know what's going on today. It looks really good. I'm upset that it's looking this good because I really thought none of these products were going to work, and I thought I had exhausted like all the techniques to use, but so far it is looking really good. It just looks really nice and bright. Again, I do want to check in different lighting and make sure that this is cohesive, because that concealer, it does lean very yellow usually on my under eyes. So, and then I'm just going to add a little bit of contour. This isn't a product I'm thinking of decluttering. I just really want to see this as a full face so that I can make sure that it works and just it looks like how I want it to look. This next product is my Tilbury Pillow Talk lipstick, and I feel like this one just pulls like almost orange on my lips. It's kind of concerning. In here it looks really cute. It's like a nice nude pink shade, and I have the lip liner, which is the shade it looks like, so I'm just concerned when I wear them together. This one is clearly a different color. It's also not the best formula on my lips. It's super drying, even moisturizing my lips before. It's just so dry. So I want to try this as a blush today. I think this could be a gorgeous, like very rosy blush. So I'm gonna try that. I'm going to first just put some on the back of my hand, and then I will pick it up with my brush and see if I can get it to work. I feel like I need more. I've been going in with a ton of this, but it does look really nice. I just want to build it up a bit more. And then I like to just do a little bit on the forehead. I've seen people do it on their chin for like a very cohesive look. And then just a little on the nose. And I'm just going to finish this look. I'm going to set some powder, put some mascara on, and I will be right back. So here is the final look, and you guys, I'm actually really impressed with how this came out. I really wasn't expecting that. So I did use the Tilbury Pillow Talk lip liner just to show you how I expected the lipstick to look on me, but I really do like it as a blush, and I do think I can end up using it up that way. But wow, I'm just really impressed that all of these products seem to work somehow. It makes me look like I'm crazy because I swear none of these were working before, and it was just driving me insane. Like this one would just pill. It would pill ridiculously. And I'm thinking, I didn't put sunscreen on today, so maybe that could be why it's not working properly. We'll have to try this exact same routine, but with sunscreen, and report if that is why. I also think the patting method is the way to go. I don't know, usually I just kind of like rub it across. That's what I do with my moisturizers, so that's kind of what I figured with this one. But I think the patting is the method I should be doing. And I guess I will just have to use this to deepen up other foundations. I'm pretty sure I just have the one that is light, maybe two. So I will try this with that one as well. But this one alone, I'm telling you, like I've tried lighting this one and it doesn't work, but I mean, just look at the base. Like, I feel like it looks really good. Nice and glowy. So again, I will have to report back on how this sits throughout the day, but I think this will be staying in my collection. And the concealer. I'm still kind of on the fence with this one because it's a concealer I can't use for my under eyes, so I would have to reach for a different concealer. But for brightening up the face, I do really like the effect that this had, and it doesn't look yellow. I went to the bathroom to check and everything seems to be looking fine. So I am a little worried it might oxidize throughout the day, especially like this area and here. So I will double check and just make sure, but I might just finish this up. And the lipstick, I really enjoy how it looks as a blush. I've done that in the past where I have a lipstick I just don't really wear, so I finished it up as a blush and it was beautiful and I got a lot of great use out of it. That's what I really love about makeup, is that it doesn't need to be for its exact purpose sometimes, especially if you're struggling to get it to work. I've done that multiple times where I use a product and use it like as a blush or a lip product if it just isn't looking right or just being difficult. I also highly recommend trying every single method that you can, because I mean, look at today, I am using products that I usually push to the back of my drawer because I cannot get them to work. And I mean, I could definitely do this again. I'm definitely going to for these 3 products. I mean, I got them to work. So I don't think I will be tossing any of these actually. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!